Hey there everybody, this is James Clark. I want to keep this video somewhat short.
Microphone on,
but I want to show you a rather advanced weather app called wxl23. It's for iOS, works on iPad and iPhone, and it is free. There's also an Android version called WX. It is put out by Josh Green. Now, I'm going to mute my microphone and you're going to be hearing my screen reader. I can't do anything about that. What I want to show you, however, is the radar. I want to show you some settings, and I want to show you some stuff that's not found on normal weather apps. Hence the reason this is called an advanced weather app. Now, I'm not going to show you how I look at the images. If there's interest in that, we can go over that in another video. But as it is, I happen to be a blind Skywarn spotter advanced for the PBZ office. So let's open up wxl23 and see what we have.
microphone off. Selected. Screen recording. Messages. Faith folder. Weather folder. 2 apps. Weather. Heading. Radar scope. WX. WX. Toolbar. Severe dashboard. Button. WFO. Cloud. Button. Radar. Button. Radar. Mentor. Euclid. Toolbar. PBC. Button. N0Q. Button. N0Q. Alert exclamation mark. N0Q colon base reflectivity. Button. N0U colon base velocity. Button. L2 ref colon level 2 reflectivity. Button. L2 vel colon level 2 velocity. Button. EET colon enhanced echo tops. Button. DVL colon vertically integrated liquid. Button. N0X colon differential reflectivity. Button. N0C colon correlation coefficient. Button. N0K colon specific differential phase. H0C colon hydrometer classification. DSP colon digital storm total precipitation. DAA colon digital accumulation array. Button. N0S colon storm relative mean velocity. NSW colon base spectrum width. Button. NCR colon composite reflectivity 124 nanometers. NCZ colon composite reflectivity 248 nanometers. Button. NCZ colon composite dismiss pop-up. Personal. Image. Status bar item. 73. Personal. Image. Person. Toolbar. Left paren 0, 0. PB. N0. Play. Button. Left paren 0, 13 colon. Go back. Button. Local. Tab. 1 of 3. SPC. Tab. 2 of 3. MISC. Tab. 3 of 3. MISC. Tab. 3 of 3. Toolbar. Severe dashboard. Button. WFO. Cloud. Radar. Submenu. Button. Set models. Image. Radar reflectivity IKM left paren DB. HRRR. Image. NSSLWRF. Image. WPC Jeffs. Image. Dual pane Nextred radar. Image. Quad pane Nextred radar. Image. US warnings. Image. National text products. Image. Short range. NHC. Image. NWS underscore sector. Image. Goes. Image. National images. Image. Observation sites. Image. OPC. Image. Goes full disk. Image. Lightning. Image. WPC excessive rain. WPC excessive rainfall. SPC. MISC. Toolbar. WFO. Severe dashboard. Button. Radar. Button. Submenu. Button. Submenu. Alert exclamation mark. Select setting. Playlist. Settings. Button. Settings. Locations. Colors. Radar. Radar. Canadian and Mexican borders. Switch button. Off. Center radar on location. Switch button. On. Cities. Button. Switch button. On. Color map legend. Button. Switch button. On. Counties use high resolution data. Switch button. On. County lines. Switch button. On. County labels. Button. Switch button. On. Dust storm warning. Switch button. Off. Hail index. Switch button. On. Highways. Button. Switch button. On. Lakes and rivers. Button. Switch button. On. Location markers. Switch button. Off. Location marker follows. Switch button. Off. Multi-hyphen pane colon share lat slash lon slash. Switch button. On. Observations. Switch button. Off. Remember location. Button. Switch button. On. Screen stays on and auto refresh radar. Button. Switch button. On. Secondary roads. Switch button. On. Show radar during a pen slash drag. Switch button. On. Snow squall warning. Switch button. Off. Spotters. Button. Switch button. Off. Spotter labels. Button. Switch button. Off. Special marine warning. Switch button. Off. Special weather statement. Switch button. Off. SPC day 1 convective outlook. Switch button. Off. States use high resolution. Switch button. On. Storm tracks. Button. Switch button. On. Tornado vortex signatures. Button. Switch button. On. Toolbar. Go back. Velocity. Toolbar. Go back. Button. Go back. Screen recording in progress. Control center. 72% battery. 72%. Mute. Mute. Selected. Screen recording. Button. Mute. Switch button. Off. Actions available. Recognize music. Button. Selected. Screen. Open controls. Screen record. Microphone. Off. Stop recording. Button.